Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Noemi Santiban.
What is your age?
I'm 25 years old,
Which year were you born?
1990, ma'am.
Do you have a valid work permit and Hong Kong identity card?
No, ma'am.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For me to earn money for my family, into my future family, and to see the beauty of the place, ma'am.
What is your hometown?
Bacolongan, Sir Bugyas, Benguet, ma'am.
What is your level of education?
College graduate, ma'am.
Are you married or single?
Single, ma'am.
Do you have children?
None, ma'am.
How many people are in your family?
3 brothers and 6 sisters, ma'am.
Do you have financial commitments to support any or all of them?
None, ma'am.
Do you have any debts either here or in your home country?
None, ma'am.
How many years of experience do you have?
2 years, ma'am.
What do you enjoy most about your job?
My salary and my work as a homemaid, ma'am. Housemaid,
Do you
ma'am.
have allergies for food, drugs, and detergents?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pets?
No, ma'am.
How did you handle conflict with your previous employers?
My previous employers are kind to me, so I am also kind to them. So, so we haven't experienced conflict, ma'am.
Do you accept no day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
Yes, ma'am.
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
Childcare and housework, ma'am.
How many hours each day did you work?
17 hours, 5 a.m. in the morning and 9 p.m.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
Yes, ma'am.
If my child burnt their hand on the iron, what would you do?
I will put I will put ice to the burnt hand to eliminate the pain. After that, I will bring to the doctor if his or her burnt hand is in second degree, ma'am.
If my son was being very naughty when you were babysitting him, what would you do?
I will tell stories about naughty children and I will tell him or her that naughty children is not good to him or her.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
What would you like to do during your spare time?
Reading, singing, playing guitar, dancing, and painting, ma'am.
Say your message to your employer.
I am honest and kind and a happy person. If you hire me as your domestic helper, I will treat your child as my brothers and sister. Thank you, ma'am. Hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Please sing one nursery rhyme.
Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. In it flipped, in it hopped, in it flew away.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.